everybody. Today I'm going to do a spin pour. My first one that I'm going to blow and then spin. So I'm just going to put some white paint. Down. Spread it with my little silicone brush. I did one before that I just put the paint on, and I did blow it, but it had a lot of paint. I just want this one to look like a flower, so I'll put less paint. How did I get, oh, I got colored on there from the paint on this thing is not dry yet. That's okay. All right. I've got some yellow, Artist Loft yellow mixed with a bit of gold. I've got some, I think this is cobalt blue, no, cerulean blue. And there was a bit of turquoise in here, so I just mixed it together. And I got some purple. And my purple, I think this is Artist Loft Level 2 Violet. This has a little, 1 drop of dimethicone in it. I'm just going to see how many cells I can get. I'm just going to put the turquoise down first. Now it's going to be green, so with this yellow on top. And then I'm going to add the purple. I'm just going to blow it first. Now I'll spin and see what happens. Something stuck here. I think I'm going to go this way. Something stuck. I got an idea. It's always going to be a complication. Let's put it in the middle. Moving one way. It's not moving the other way. Colors look cool. more. Well, I like the white around it like that. All right, let's see. I wonder if it needs to be even thinner. Let's make that purple go out more. There. It's almost like a Dutch pour, but it's just a blowing and spinning pour. I think I might just leave it. It looks nice the way it is. I might just blow this part right here. There. Cool. All right, that's it. So I can lift it up for you. This one, I think I blew more than it spun, but that's okay. It looks awesome. Thanks for coming by. Check the description in my under my video, and you'll see a link to our new Facebook page that we've started. I've started with my sisters, Dropping Paint by Dianne and Art by Susan King. And come by and join, share your art with us, and yeah, check us out. I'm glad to see everybody's art. Hi everybody. I'm going to do a quick spin again. I watered my paints down a little bit more this time. I'm going to use purple, a coral color, pink, and a fuchsia, like a magenta color. All right. So I'm going to put some paint on, then I'm going to blow it, and I'm going to spin it. Light to dark. So I'll try the coral color first. I'm going to try not to use a lot of paint. And this is pretty watery. So when I go like that, it makes a dent, no mound. I think this has, I mixed two purples together. This one has a little bit of dimethicone in it, left over from another pour. I think that's pretty much enough. I think I should take my torch. Oh, that's not very. All right, let's just spin this baby. Oh, that one really spread out. Okay, this is definitely working better. I want this one to go out more. Wow, I love it. I'm gonna go one more time and then I might just blow that. Okay, I think that's enough. There. I think that's awesome. There. Oh. Cool. Okay, that's it. I like this one. I'm going to hold it up. And there, my camera shut off. All right, can you see this? My battery's getting low, so I'm gonna have to end this video. I'll put the dried results at the end. Check the description below and check out our new Facebook group. The link's in there. Please subscribe and come back soon to my art room. Bye-bye. Hi, everyone. I just came to look at a couple of dried paintings. I did these both on the same day. They're both spinners. Or in my spinner. And I blew them with a straw first and then spun. Anyway, there you go. They dried really cute, really nice, really smooth. And I really like them. Red and purple's awesome. And here's one with some turquoise, yellow, purple. Put these both on the same video. Cool, eh? I really like them. Can't wait to do more. All right. Have a great day. Bye.